أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Question number 1. What is the key to paradise? Option A, prayer, salah. Option B, fasting. Option C, charity. And option D, good character. And the correct option is option A, prayer, salah. Question number 2. Who is the most honored in the sight of Allah? Option A, the righteous. Option B, the wealthy. Option C, the famous. And option D, the strongest. And the correct answer is option B, the righteous. Question. What is the person's greatest enemy? Option A, the nafs, self. Option B, wealth. Option C, the world. And the option D, shaitan. And the correct answer is option A, the nafs, self. Question. What will be asked first in the grave? Option A, who is your Lord? Option B, what is your name? Option C, how much wealth did you have? Option D, which country are you from? And the correct answer is option A, who is your Lord? Question. What brings blessing in one's provision, rizq? Option A, gratitude. Option B, pride. Option C, envy. And option D, anger. And the correct answer is option C, gratitude. Question. What is considered one of the best form of charity? Option A, teaching beneficial knowledge. Option B, giving money. And option C, giving clothes. Option D, building a house. And the correct answer is option A, teaching beneficial knowledge. Question. What brings true peace to the heart? Option A, remembering Allah. Option B, wealth. Option C, sleep. And option D, entertainment. And the correct option is option C, remembering Allah. Question. Which sin can destroy good deeds? Option A, backbiting. Option B, laughter. Option C, hard work. And option D, traveling. And the correct option is option B, backbiting. Question. What is the greatest sign of the righteous person? Option A, good character. Option B, wealth. Option C, fame. And option D, strength. And the correct answer is option A, good character. Question. Which act of worship is obligatory on every Muslim? Option A, prayer, salah. Option B, umrah. Option C. Option D, voluntary fasting. And the correct option is option C, prayer, salah. Question. What is the foundation for entering paradise? Option A, faith, iman. Option B, wealth. Option C, family status. And option D, beauty. And the correct answer is option A, faith, Iman. Question: what makes Shaitan happiest? Option A, sin. Option B, worship. Option C, repentance. And option D, charity. And the correct option is option B, sin. Question: which deed is most beloved to Allah? Option A, praying on time. Option B, business. Option C, rest. Option D, traveling. And the correct answer is option A, praying on time. Question: what is the best kind of wealth? Option A, contentment. Option B, gold. Option C, luxury cars. And option D, big house. And the correct option is option A, contentment. Question: who is closest to Allah? Option A, the sincere believer. Option B, the rich person. Option C, the powerful person. And the option D, the famous person. And the correct answer is option D, the sincere believer. Question: what is the Muslim greatest strength? Option A, faith. Option B, wealth. Option C, physical power. And option D, intelligence. And the correct answer is option. Question: what eliminates the grave? Option A, good deeds. Option B, fame. Option C, money. And option D, expensive clothes. And the correct answer is option A, good deeds. Question: what is the greatest loss? Option A, losing faith. Option B, losing wealth. Option C, losing a job. And option D, losing friends. And the correct answer is option C, losing faith. Question: whom does Allah love? Option A, the righteous. Option B, the wealthy. Option C, the famous. Option D, the arrogant. And the correct answer is option A, the righteous. Question: what hardens the heart? Option A, sin. Option B, knowledge. Option C, patience. And option D, charity. And the correct answer is option C, sin. Question: what is the sign of a good friend? Option A, good character. Option B, wealth. Option C, strength. And option D, fame. And the correct answer is option A, good character. Question: what is the best inheritance? Option A, good manners. Option B, money. Option C, property. And option D, expensive jewelry. And the correct answer is option A, good manner. Question: when is a supplication more likely to be accepted? Option A, with sincerity. Option B, in anger. Option C, in haste. Option D, while showing off. And the correct answer is option A, with sincerity. Question: what will be the first deed accorded for the one of the day of judgment? Option A, prayer salah. Option B, fasting. And option C, zakat. And option D, hajj. And the correct answer is option A, prayer salah. Question: what removes sins? Option A, sincere repentance. Option B, silence. Option C, traveling. Option D, sleeping. And the correct answer is option B, sincere repentance. Question: who is the most beloved to Allah? Option A, the one who benefits others. Option B, the richest person. Option C, the most famous person. And option D, the strongest person. And the correct answer is option A, the one who benefits others. Question: what is the greatest blessing in paradise? Option A, seeing Allah. Option B, places. Option C, gardens. And option D, diligence food. And the correct answer is option A, seeing Allah. Question: which relationship can become a mean to paradise? Option A, serving parents. Option B, friendship. Option C, business. Option D, neighbors. And the correct answer is option A. Question: what is the most valuable treasure? Option A, faith, iman. Option B, gold. Option C, land. And option D, fame. And the correct answer is option B, faith, iman. Question: what is the greatest quality of a righteous wife? Option A, good character. Option B, wealth. Option C, beauty. And option D, high education. And the correct answer is option B, good character.